In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. So if you're trying to verify your LinkedIn account with persona and it keeps failing or not loading, then just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store or Play Store on your phone and make sure that your LinkedIn app is fully updated, because if you're using an outdated version, this can cause the persona verification to not work properly. So just update the app if there's an update available. Now, once the app is updated, the next thing you want to do is open LinkedIn, log out of your account, and then log back in again. And after logging back in, try the persona verification one more time. Now, if the verification is still not working, what you want to do next is open any browser on your phone or computer and search for LinkedIn support. And once you see the LinkedIn help page, just open it. Now make sure you log in with your LinkedIn account, and once you're logged in, scroll down and look for an option that says Contact Support or Chat with Us, and just click on that. Now here, you can either start a chat or send them a message explaining that your persona verification is not working. And if they ask for details, just provide your email address and phone number linked to your account. Now LinkedIn support will review your case and they will contact you back through email and help you complete the verification process. And that's it. This is the easiest way to fix the LinkedIn persona verification not working issue. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.